What if I told you your Fry computer could be earning you crypto? Meet UpRock. Joining UpRock is a breeze. Imagine earning crypto just by sharing your bandwidth. With UpRock, you can. Simply download the Windows installer, install it, and run it on your Fry computer. It's that easy. Our platform rewards you for contributing to a larger ecosystem. Your data helps power AI discoveries and savings. Sign up, start earning, and become part of a movement that values your contribution to the open AI landscape. Simply install the UpRock Earning app and start earning multiple rewards in under 2 minutes, including $UPTs, UpRock's official crypto token. And guess what? You can even refer your friends for bonus tokens. No complicated setup, no credit card required. Join the UpRock revolution today and turn your Fry computer into a crypto mining machine. Earn while you sleep and be a part of something bigger. Download, install, and start earning with UpRock now.